It's a great turnout. The best and the brightest in the industry come to this show every year. This is where they learn how to be the best and the brightest next year too. So this is always a great place to be.
It's a very good platform to launch new products, and this is the biggest show to come to, so this is where everybody is.
This is perfect. This is what I love coming out here on this, the largest field day in the world. You name it, man, they got it all.
The outdoor space is something that really is unique to the show in itself. Getting hands-on tool, whether it's a tool, a riding mower, or any other type of equipment, to actually go out there and physically interact with the equipment, it makes it a very unique show. And quite frankly, I think it's what makes this location superior to all others.
There's a lot of vendors, there's a lot of machines to take a look at. And then we went to a couple of the seminars in the outdoor arena, and they are so knowledgeable of everything. How much they know is incredible compared to what we're used to.
I mean, it's a win-win. You've got a different atmosphere that helps make people want to talk and work together. It was like networking.
It's the best time we have. It's open, we see people, we get the network. It's a great time.
I think it is enormous. It is the biggest one I've ever seen. Anytime they can come to this, I would recommend it.